Girls, how are you doing? Bit of a sad story, as you can see. I was in Country Lane coming back and the back wheel started to go on me. You might as well hear the story. As you can see, the front tyre isn't too bad, but I ordered them a week ago. Garage rang me to say, oh, they forgot my order, they've lost it. Whatever. Now, I'd only ordered one tyre, but out of frustration I decided to have a look around, and I found a garage that's going to do me the front, although it doesn't need it right now, probably another 1,000 miles, the front and the back as a pair, cheaper than the original guy who was going to do the back tyre for one. Question. On the 20th of December I've got to pick my 13-year-old daughter up. She's flying in from Jersey for Christmas with me. Got to pick her up from Southend Airport. Now normally I use Stansted, free parking, or Gatwick, free parking, or Heathrow, free parking, for a motorbike that is. But this time I've got to go to Southend Airport, where greedy Stobbarts are apparently charging full car parking price for a motorbike. I'm horrified. If you know better, let me know. And if it's right, any chance you could let me know somewhere I can park and stroll into the airport? And I say stroll because I am 61 and I do have arthritis, so I won't be galloping up there. So please, any help or recommendations that will save silly old bugger who's on the dole a bit of money would be appreciated, chaps.